Introducing the all-new M1400 SX, equipped with the powerful Bosch SX motor. This light baller e-mtb weighs only 17.5 kilograms, making it one of the lightest electric mountain bikes on the market. But don't let its lightweight design fool you. With a 170mm travel, this bike is built to handle the most challenging trails with ease. Climb steep hills effortlessly and conquer rough terrains like never before. The Bosch SX motor provides a smooth and natural riding experience, giving you the power you need when you need it. Its intelligent control system ensures maximum efficiency and a longer battery life, so you can enjoy longer rides without worrying about running out of power. The M1400 SX features a sleek and stylish design, with high-quality components that are built to last. Its advanced suspension system absorbs bumps and impacts, delivering a comfortable ride on any terrain. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, the M1400 SX offers unparalleled performance and versatility. So, get ready to unleash the power of the M1400 SX and experience the thrill of riding an e-mtb like never before. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.